ChatGPT4 is a language model chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. ChatGPT4 has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers, but it also raises some concerns. It is important to be aware of its potential benefits and risks as it continues to develop. Here are some video ideas about ChatGPT4. What is ChatGPT4? A short video that explains what ChatGPT4 is and how it works. The benefits of ChatGPT4. A video that discusses the potential benefits of ChatGPT4, such as its ability to provide customer service, answer questions, or even write creative content. The risks of ChatGPT4. A video that discusses the potential risks of ChatGPT4, such as its ability to be used to create fake news or propaganda. The future of ChatGPT4. A video that speculates on the future of ChatGPT4 and other similar technologies.